Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We'll be sharing 10 proven tips to help you regrow your hair fast. And the best part is, there's no need for surgery. So whether you're dealing with hair loss or simply looking to enhance your hair growth, these tips are for you. Let's jump right in. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health, and it directly impacts the health of your hair. Hair is composed of a protein called keratin, so consuming an adequate amount of protein is essential for hair growth and strength. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, chicken, lean meats, and legumes in your diet. Also, make sure to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables to get essential vitamins and minerals that support hair health. For example, vitamin A helps produce sebum, an oily substance that keeps the scalp moisturized, while vitamin C aids in collagen production, which is crucial for hair structure. Vitamins D and E, along with minerals like iron and zinc, also play roles in promoting healthy hair growth. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining the balance of body fluids, including those in the scalp. A well-hydrated scalp ensures that hair follicles receive enough nutrients and remain healthy. Drinking an adequate amount of water each day helps keep your hair moisturized and can prevent dry, brittle hair that is prone to breakage. Scalp massage. Scalp massage is a simple and effective way to promote hair growth. By gently massaging your scalp, you stimulate blood circulation in the area, which, in turn, increases the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. This enhanced blood flow nourishes the hair follicles, supporting healthier hair growth. Use your fingertips to massage your scalp in circular motions for a few minutes each day, whether it's during your shower or as a relaxing routine before bedtime. Hair oil treatments. Natural oils like coconut oil, castor oil, and argan oil can provide numerous benefits to your hair. These oils are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, which nourish the hair shaft and improve its overall health. Massaging these oils into your scalp helps improve blood circulation and allows the nutrients to penetrate the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. For best results, leave the oil on your scalp for a few hours or overnight before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Onion juice. Onion juice has gained popularity as a natural remedy for hair growth. Onions contain sulfur, which is known to improve blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Applying onion juice to your scalp can help nourish the hair roots, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the hair. Extract the juice from an onion and apply it to your scalp, leaving it on for 15-30 minutes before washing your hair thoroughly to get rid of the smell. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and moisturizing properties, making it beneficial for maintaining a healthy scalp. The gel from fresh aloe vera leaves can help reduce scalp inflammation and irritation, which can sometimes hinder hair growth. Applying aloe vera gel directly to your scalp can also create a conducive environment for hair growth and improve overall hair health. Avoid tight hairstyles. Hairstyles that pull on your hair tightly, such as tight ponytails, braids, or buns, can cause tension on the hair follicles and lead to hair breakage. Over time, this may result in hair loss and thinning. Opt for looser hairstyles that allow your hair to breathe, and avoid excessive use of hair elastics or clips that can damage your hair. Limit heat styling. Frequent use of heat styling tools, like straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers can cause damage to the hair cuticles, leading to dryness and breakage. To promote hair growth, reduce the use of such tools and allow your hair to air dry whenever possible. If you need to use heat styling, always apply a heat protectant product to minimize damage. Regular trimming. Getting regular hair trims is essential for maintaining healthy hair. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks helps get rid of split ends, which can travel up the hair shaft and cause further damage. By trimming your hair regularly, you ensure that it grows stronger and healthier without the hindrance of split ends. Reduce stress. Stress can have a significant impact on hair health. High stress levels can lead to conditions like telogen effluvium, where hair prematurely enters the resting phase and falls out. To promote hair growth, practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Taking care of your mental well-being can positively influence your hair health. And there you have it, 10 proven tips to regrow your hair fast without surgery. Remember, achieving hair growth takes time and consistency, so be patient and stay committed to these tips. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other hair-related topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.